Hey guys, Uli here with Lightning Clean. We're at Cageside in Durham today, doing carpet cleaning here. It's like 4,000 square foot something. Yeah, so here's the floor. You can see here's some dirt here. The hallway coming up here. This whole area. And the front area and around the sides here. This is going to be all cleared up. Yep, that's what we're gonna do. Waiting for my man Nazario to come help, so we're gonna vacuum right now and then put the orbit on and go through here.